Students, so now start chapter number 2, relations and functions. Relations and functions, chapter number 2. So first topic, right? Cartesian product of sets. Cartesian product of sets. Cartesian product of sets. Cartesian product of sets. So definition is, let A and B are any two sets, then its Cartesian product is denoted by this symbol. A and B be any two sets. This is read as Cartesian product of A and B. That is read as A cross B. A cross B, not into. Read as A cross B. So two sets A and B, its Cartesian product is denoted by A cross B, and which defined by A cross B is equal to element xy such that x belong in set A and y belong in set B. Cartesian product of. So Cartesian product defined for two sets. So A and B are two sets, then its Cartesian product denoted by this symbol and read as A cross B, which defined by A cross B is equal to xy. That is Cartesian product का जो एलिमेंट्स होंगे वो पेयर फॉर्म में एलिमेंट होगा, नॉट सिंगल एलिमेंट, पेयर फॉर्म में एलिमेंट एक्स वाई, such that x belong in this first entry belong in first set and second entry belong in second set. आप ध्यान दोगे, ये first entry belong in first set and second entry belong in second set. That is x belong in set A and y belong in set B. For example, suppose A is equal to 1 2 and B is equal to AB or ABC, two sets, then Cartesian product A cross B is equal to, write in pair form element. This is called ordered pair form. This element is called ordered pair form. तो pair form element है and ordered, that is आप जो सेट फर्स्ट नोट कर रहे हो उसी का एलिमेंट पहले फर्स्ट में होगा, ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. तो आप यहाँ पे एलिमेंट लिखोगे ऑर्डर्ड पेयर एंड फर्स्ट एंट्री ऑफ सेट ए एंड सेकेंड एंट्री ऑफ सेट बी. तो आप फर्स्ट एंट्री का पहले फर्स्ट सेट का एलिमेंट क्या है 1, तो 1 के साथ क्या बनेगा ऑर्डर्ड पेयर 1A 1B एंड 1C. ये 1 के साथ तीनों का बन गया ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. Similarly, 2A 2B and 2C, 2A 2B and 2C. This is the Cartesian product of two sets. So here set A is equal to 1 2, so number of A is equal to 2 and number of in set B is equal to 3, and count number of A cross B, number of element in A cross B, count total number of element 1 2 3 4 5 6 is equal to 6, and this 6 can return 2 into 3, 2 into 3, that is 2 can return number of A. This is not read as cross, this is a into 2 into 3. This is read as A into B, but this read as A cross B. जब ये symbol same symbol दोनों, both are symbol same, where this symbol lie between two sets, then that is read as cross, and we lie between two numbers, then read as multiplication. So here A and B are two sets, so this symbol read as Cartesian, that is cross. Here read as A cross B. So here 2, 3, two numbers, so this symbol is a into. So this can retain number of A and 3 can retain number of B. So number of A cross B is equal to number of A into number of B. This is a Cartesian product of two sets. Now next, if suppose A1 B1 and if A1 B1 is equal to A2 B2, that is any two element of Cartesian product of two sets are equal. Here A, B be any two element, A and B. If A1 B1 and A2 B2 belongs to suppose A cross B, that is A cross B का any two elements हैं, such that A1 B1 is equal to A2 B2, both are equal. A1 B1, this is A1 B1 is equal to A2 B2, that is two elements of Cartesian product of two sets of A and B are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal, that is their entries are equal, so that this, then here first entry equal to first, that is A1 is equal to A2 and B1 is equal to B1 is equal to B2. A1 is equal to A2 and B1 is equal to B2. This is two element. So similarly, Cartesian product of three sets, triplet, Cartesian product of three sets. This is read as A cross B cross C, Cartesian product of three set. This defined as their element in triplet form A, B and C, such that this A belongs to set A, B belongs to set B and C belongs to set C. This is a triplet form. So now exercise, now example number 1. Example number 1. Example number 1, here given x plus 1 y minus 2 is equal to 3 1, then find the values of x and y. Here two entry are equal, and these two ordered pair elements are equal, then their first entry is equal to first. Find the value of x and y. So here x plus 1 is equal to 3, this implies x is equal to 2, and y minus 2 is equal to 1, so this implies y is equal to 3. So this is the value of x and y. And example number 2, Example number 2. Here set P given A, B and C and Q given R. From the sets P cross Q and Q cross P, are these two products equal? So check that. First find the value of P cross Q. Find P cross Q. P cross Q, that is right first entry of set P. So AR, next BR, next CR. This is P cross Q. Now find Q cross P. Here first entry of cross product of Q and P is Q. So what is first element of Q? R. So RA. First element right here set Q. RA, next RB, next RC. Then check that these two Cartesian product are equal. Here first entry AR, here RA. Are both equal? No. AR not is equal to RA. So both are not equal to. So therefore P cross Q not is equal to Q cross P. Both are different. So now example number 3. Example 3. Read the example. What is given? Example number 3. Example 3 is A given 1, 2, 3 and B given 3, 4 and C given 4, 5, 6. Find A cross B intersection C. First find A cross B intersection C. So first find B cross B intersection C. First find B intersection C. So B intersection C is equal to, what is common between B and C? Only 4. 4 is a common element. Now find A cross B intersection C is equal to A. What is A? 1, 2, 3 cross B intersection C, that is 4. So taking cross product, that is 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. This is A cross B intersection C. Similarly find all. Second thing. Second is A cross B intersection A cross C. So first find A cross B. So A cross B is, what is A? 1, 2, 3 cross B. B is 3, 4. So taking cross product. So 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. This is A cross B. Now find A cross C. So what is A cross C? Now find A cross C. A cross C is equal to, what is A? 1, 2, 3 cross 4, 5, 6. So taking cross product, then 1, 4 write in small bracket, not curly bracket. Ordered pair जो element लिखेंगे small bracket. And since Cartesian product of two set is also a set, तो whole element को हमें क्या करना है? closed by curly bracket. So 1 4, next 1 5, 1 6, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, next 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. This is A cross C. Now here find intersection. So A cross B intersection A cross C. That is both are equal element. Check that which element are equal. A cross C. So check that which element of set B and set C are equal. Only 4 are equal. 4 only equal. So common element is 1 4. 1 4 also belong to here. 2 4. 2 4 common, that is only 4 in the common element between B and C. So both having, that is A cross C and A cross B common element. What are common element? 1 4, 2 4 and 3 4. This element 3 4, here also 3 4. So only common between B and C is 4. So intersection A cross B intersection A cross C. So what is common? 1 4, 2 4 and 3 4. So common is 1 4, 2 4 and 3 4. This is A cross B intersection A cross C. आप सेम फाइंड कर लोगे. Okay. Now example number 6. Example number 6. Read question example number 6. Example 6 is, if A cross B, example 6, A cross B given PQ, PR, AMQ, AMR, AMR. This element given. Question is find A and B. So since A is the first entry, set A having all the element of first entry. So what is first entry? P, repeat, next M, 2 element, and set B whose element of second entry. What are second entry? Q and R, 2 elements, Q and R. So this is P and A and B. So now exercise 2.1. आप इजी क्वेश्चन लगा लोगे. एक्सरसाइज 2.1 ये इजी है, इसको आप सॉल्व कर लोगे. तो एक्सरसाइज 2.1 इज ए होमवर्क. एक्सरसाइज 2.1 होमवर्क इजी है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एक्स वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. यह ए हैविंग 3 एलिमेंट, बी गिवन, देन फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट ए क्रॉस बी. यूज फॉर्मूला नंबर ऑफ ए इंटू नंबर ऑफ बी. थर्ड गिवन फाइंड क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट एंड check that statement correctly or not. A given find intersection, B intersection phi, same as find. Question is very easy. So homework is question number 1 to 10. Okay.